Good morning, guys. It is October 15th, Thursday. Woohoo! Tomorrow's Friday, guys. We made it another week. Just a reminder for your classwork. Make sure you have all topics open so you can see all the tabs. I'm finding that some of you are just clicking specific things over here. Make sure you have all topics open. Here are your chapter notes. Chapter 1 notes are here for your test corrections. Chapter 2 notes are here for this week's chapter that we started. Your 2 chapter for the books are New Mexico History Book Chapter tab here, 1 and 2. For today, you are going to watch CNN 10, click this link here, and fill out 2 facts that you learned from watching. Don't tell me coronavirus is spreading. I know. I'm kind of nervous because our numbers were the highest they've been yesterday, guys. So everybody make sure you're washing hands and wearing your masks, okay? Stay safe out there. The word scramble worksheet. So what you'll do is you'll take a look at this Google Doc. You are going to need your chapter 2 book tab open, okay? So this is key terms. This is some of the vocabulary that's in this chapter. So you click it. Here is your assignment for today. I've given you some scrambled words. The scrambled words are all highlighted vocabulary in your chapter 2 portion of your book. So what you'll do is you'll unscramble it, and this is your clue right here. I've given you the definition, so you got to find the definition or find the word and match it, and then you'll type it into the line there. Okay, just thought it was something fun to do for today. If you have any questions, I'm here for you. Also, test corrections are, if you're going to do them, you're going to do them. If you're not, I'm not going to chase you. I have created an instructional video to walk you through it. Please watch it if you do not understand what to do. You are going to need to open up your Chapter 1 quiz from last week in the October 5th through October 9th tab. You'll open your quiz and click View Scores. And then you'll open your Test Corrections tab here, open your Google Doc. And then you'll number the ones that you got wrong and use your Chapter 1 and your Chapter 1 notes to find the right answers, okay? If you're so confused and have no idea, please watch this video. I walk you through it step by step, okay? So for today, October 15th, CNN 10, 2 facts, word scramble worksheet, test corrections if you're gonna do them, okay? That is the drill for today. I'm here if you need me and have questions. Do not be shy. Do not be scared, because if you have a question, chances are someone else has the same question. And if you don't tell me you need help and you give me a thumbs up anyways, then I think that you're doing just fine. So please, I am here to help you and get you through this, okay? Let me know. Go get started.